Hi, it's Nokibo. I'm a cat. That's me. Somehow I'm able to type on keyboards and loop switches and make videos because I'm a cat. An unhappy looking cat. Just kidding. That's just my cat. Just wanted to talk a little bit about these new switches that I am reviewing. They were sent to me by Bespoke Keys, which I will link in the description below. These are the Frog linear switches. They are factory lubed, and honestly, they are really nice factory lubed. Where I was to the point I didn't want to open them and lube them myself. But you know how we do it here. I like to do just stock versus Lubey Dubey. And yes, I'm calling them Lubey Dubies because that's how I do things in my channel, which you should like, subscribe, and comment. Yeah, that's how you do YouTube, I guess, and cat videos and stuff.